Welcome to Lesson 10, Estimating Sums and Differences. In this lesson, we're going to learn some estimating strategies for adding and subtracting numbers with decimals. So if we want to start with this example of adding 1 and 738 thousandths plus just 849 thousandths, we can start by trying to put these numbers on a number line. 849 thousandths would probably go up somewhere about here on our number line. And 1 in 738 thousandths would probably go about here on the number line. So we can round these numbers to the nearest whole number, and then that will make finding our estimate very easy. So we can see that the closest whole number to 849 thousandths is 1. So we can add 1 plus, and 1 in 738 thousandths is closest to 2. It's in between 1 and 2, but it's closer to 2. So we will write that number down. And this is the simplest addition question you can complete. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So 3 is our estimated sum. And our actual answer, if we were to use our calculator to add up the two numbers, is 2 and 587 thousandths. So we could see that our estimate of 3 is in the ballpark. It's a pretty accurate estimate. Now let's try a subtraction question. Let's subtract 34 and 391 thousandths minus 27 and 205 thousandths. We're going to try a strategy that's a little bit different. The first number that I'm subtracting, and you could do this for addition as well, I'm going to keep as is. I'm not going to change it. So it's 34 and 391 thousandths. But I'm going to round my second number to the nearest whole number. So 27 and 205 thousandths is somewhere between 27 and 28. And you could tell, or you might want to put it on a number line to tell, that it is closer to 27. So I'm just simply going to write 27.000 because I've rounded it to the nearest whole number. And now I'm going to subtract. And the nice thing about doing this is that the decimal points are very easy. The numbers just stay the same. And so I could probably do that on my head. I just keep the decimals as they are in the first number. And then basically it's 34 minus 27. And I know that the answer is 7. So my estimated answer is 7 and 391 thousandths. And it turns out that our estimate is very close to the actual answer. It's about 200 thousandths away. Or if we were talking about money in this case, we'd be about 20 cents off. In this lesson, you learned about a couple of strategies for estimating sums and differences. Remember, the whole point of estimating is to be able to simplify the question to the point that you can do it in your head. So in the first example, we rounded both numbers to the nearest whole number, and when we did that, we made the question so simple that we can ask a grade 1 student to do it in their head. 1 plus 2 equals 3 was our estimate, and we saw that it was a reasonable estimate. It was fairly close to the actual answer. In the second example, we rounded only one number to the nearest whole number, and I suggest if you are subtracting that you keep the first number the same and round the second number to the nearest whole number, and that makes doing the subtraction a lot easier. In this case, really, this problem became 34 minus 27, and the numbers after the decimal stayed the same as the first number. So most of us could do 34 minus 27 in our head, 7, and then we just wrote down the numbers after the decimal point. And we saw in this case that our estimate was actually very close to the actual answer, very good estimate. And that is the whole point of using these strategies, is to create estimates that are reasonable, that are close to the actual answer, but being able to simplify them to the point that we could probably do them in our head or really quickly on paper. So have fun estimating sums and differences. Watch the video again, ask your teacher for help if you need it, and use any other strategies that you find that work well for you.